X-Tech Tactical. Today we're talking to all of our Glock 26 fans. Now usually when you buy Glock 26, the first thing you're going to notice is your grip and how that pinky just dangles out, doesn't really have anywhere to go. So what do you usually do? First solution is to go pick up a 15-round mag. 15-round mag gives you a little bit better grip, but you still notice the distance between the mag and the actual mag well, still a little bit uncomfortable. So the solution that we've come up with is a sleeve. You can take the sleeve, it goes right over your 15-round mag, back into the gun, and now you can get that perfect purchase and perfect grip. So when you're shooting, you can be confident and comfortable. We have them for both the 15-round mags. We also have them for 17-round mags. They're available at xtechtactical.com. You guys can go over there right now and pick you guys up one.